Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And first of all, Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody is back to trading now, getting serious about trading. This is still an abbreviated week, of course, for only 4 days. But I noticed this morning a lot of analysts are chiming in on what their upgrades and downgrades were for today anyway. We had a huge list. Last week we had nothing. So how about this one though, guys? It's nothing to do with the analysts, of course, but this is our AI at work. 106, there was the alert at 106, right on that, what time was it actually? It was at 9:41, so there's a 15-minute candle. So about, with 4 minutes left, our AI said, how about this one? Now, at the very beginning, a little bit choppy. If you'd taken this right at the very beginning, you would have, you had a big bottoming tail, another bottoming tail. But once it's starting to settle down, and that's one of the reasons I don't like trading in the first 15 minutes. I like to see things settle down just a little bit. Not that things are completely settled down after 15, but they certainly are a lot more settled than, by trying to trade in the first 15. But having said all that, look what happened once it kind of really settled down. Remember now, the alert's at 106, and before it pulled back right there, this got up to 134. And it pulled back, but from 106 to 134, just a tremendous percentage gain. Even as we speak at 127, it's up 20%. Now, if you'd taken some off right there and then been able to hold on to some, again, this is pretty choppy. I have to admit, this is very choppy when you see all these bottoming tails and topping tails, but nonetheless, if you've been able to hold on some of it, then look at what happened. Got it way up to 140. So a beautiful one from our AI today. And, the market is kind of a little bit choppy. We are a bit of a disconnect in the market today. We got most of the tech stocks are down, but what a rally and huge move we had in healthcare stocks. So a lot of us were focusing on the healthcare stocks today. All right, everybody, have a great evening, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow.